and we are here to celebrate the event Kalotsava. This is a platform to bring into line with our vision, which states that not only the scholarly development of an individual is important, but the development of the complete persona, which helps students to stand out in the competitive professional environment. With the warm greetings, I extend hearty welcome to you. It is indeed an honor to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of this gracious occasion. We have amidst us Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis S.J., the Principal, St. Aloysius College Autonomous, Sri Guru Kanti, Sub Inspector of Police, Bandar Police Station, as a chief guest of the program, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, yes, the Dean, Student Welfare, Mr. Gavin Abner Pinto, the President, Student Council, Ms. Paloma Rodriguez, Cultural Secretary of the college, along with the office bearers of the Student Council. True prayer is neither a mere mental exercise nor a vocal performance. It is a spiritual transaction with the Creator, is rightly quoted by Mr. Charles Surgeon. I request Ms. Elena Perez to lead us into prayer.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing Your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name.
Thank you, Ms. Elena. Dance is one of the most divine form of art. It is a way to express an individual's feelings. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Miss Vanessa Montero will now perform the dance which strikes us with a welcome chord.
Dim ta dare dani dim ta dare dani dim ta na dere na dim ta dare dani dim ta dare dani dim ta na dere na o dani der der tani ta na der na o dani der der tani ta na der na dim ta dare dani dim ta dare dani dim ತೆರೆದಿನ್ನ ತೆರೆದಿನ್ನ ಓದಾನಿ ಓದಾನಿ ದಿಲ್ಲ ಧಿಂ ತದರೆ ದನಿ ಧಿಂ ತದರೆ ದನಿ ಧಿಂ ತನ ತೆರೆನ.
Thank you, Miss Vanessa, for the captivating performance. The hands-on identifying and nurturing the competencies and the aptitude of our students is ably managed by our Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt S. I request Dr. Ishwara Bhatt S. to deliver the welcome address and highlight the concept of the event Kalotsava.
President of the program, dear Reverend Father Dr. Praveen Martis S.J., Principal of St. Aloysius College. Today's chief guest, Shri Gurukanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar Station, Mangalore. Madam Arati, the convener of the program. Dynamic Student Council President, Gavin Abner Pinto. Vibrant Cultural Secretary, Paloma Rodriguez, and all my dear colleagues who are present here heading the various committees of the Kalotsava program. A very good evening to all of you. I am delighted to stand before you to present my introductory note. Initially, I would like to give a brief profile about the Kalotsava program, and subsequently, I will welcome all those who have gathered here to this Kalotsava program. Kalotsava 2020, we have gathered here to inaugurate the students' cultural activities. Kalotsava means it is beginning of the students' cultural events that we have in our college, St. Aloysius College. So through this event, inauguration of the students' cultural activities, we need to send a very strong, loud message to all students of St. Aloysius College, just motivating them that you have got very good talent, and St. Aloysius College is providing you variety of platforms to nurture your talents. Not only studies, academically you need to be good. In addition, you need to be much more good in extracurricular activities as well. Then only you will get the full-fledged personality in your life. So this message we need to convey to our students. Already second year and third year students, they are in. They have undergone the various platforms through which they can nurture, they can show their potential over the years. But dear first year students, you have just got admitted to the college, and right now, unfortunately because of the pandemic, so far you have not got the opportunity to come to the campus. But through this online Kalotsava inauguration, we are here to tell you that the hidden talents that you are having, we are providing you very good number of opportunities inside the college as well as outside the college. So many programs we will going to have here afterwards. So this is the beginning student cultural event. This is beginning Kalotsava inauguration program. So many programs inside the college like Utsav, College Fest, Degree Day, variety of platforms, so as to show your hidden talents, so as to showcase your talents in your talented area. Second year and third year students over the years, last year we had so many, they brought laurels to the college by getting so many overalls, so many runners up, and even good number of prizes. They have participated in more than 200 events last year. College, within the college as well as outside the college, intercollegiate events, fests, various programs, even state level, national level. So dear students, especially focusing on first year students, you have got enough good opportunities in St. Aloysius College. Of course, because of the pandemic this year, you may not have much occasions to physically go to other colleges and to take part. But in spite of that, you will have online mode competitions which are likely to come. Because of the pandemic situation, this program we are having today. Otherwise, this Kalotsava inauguration program should have been in the month of July end or August beginning. Everything is postponed, but through online mode, you are getting. So my dear students, this is the very basis through which we are having this Kalotsava inauguration program. and one after the other, you will get different opportunities. And we have got a very good student activity cell with so many staff members within this cell to guide you about your participation in various competitions. So also we are having a dynamic student council this year. They will also help you out to sort out your talents and to bring it to the mainstream through online mode or offline mode, whatever it is. So this is about Kalotsava. Now, next thing is to welcome the gathering here. Today we have the president of this program, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis, the principal of our college. Father Principal is a very dynamic leader, supporting all the activities. Whatever good thing that we are trying to arrange for the students, Father is immediately telling you, go ahead. Anything better to the students and staff members and ultimately to the society, Father is here to just give support. So such is the leadership. We are very glad that Father has agreed to be the president of this program. A very hearty welcome to you, Father. Today's chief guest, Sri Guru Kanti, the sub-inspector of police, Bandha station. Here I have to tell, initially we have started with the commissioner of police. Commissioner of police has agreed to come later because of the busy schedule. He has informed the DCP to come. DCP is also having busy schedule. Subsequently, ACP sir also having busy schedule with meetings and all. But they are very gracious to send one more very special officer, Sri Guru Kanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar, Mangalore Station. Has earned very good reputation as a police officer. You will get the biodata shortly from my colleague. So we are privileged to have such an eminent person as our chief guest today to inaugurate this Kalotsava program. A warm welcome to you, sir, Sri Guru Kanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar Station. My welcome goes to the convener of the program, Madam Arati. A warm welcome to you, Arati, Madam. My welcome goes to the dynamic student council leader, Gavin Abner Pinto. Very dynamic. And he is there here. And we're going to see the student council has arranged to take some oath as far as following the SOP norms of government in order to reduce the COVID-19 problem. So he is here. A warm welcome to Gavin Abner Pinto. Equally good, very vibrant cultural secretary, Paloma Rodriguez. She has been preparing for this event for the last 15 days or so. She has already gathered the talented students, the data of talented students of all the first year students through online mode. So many things she has done already. This is a clear indication that we will going to have a very good phenomena or a very good situation to go ahead with the cultural activities this year. So a warm welcome to you, Paloma Rodriguez. And I welcome all my colleagues who are seated here. They are the heads of various committees of this Kalotsava program. Dr. Santosh Govias, Madam Sudha, Madam Binny Chan, and so many others are here to help us to arrange this program so as to arrange the technical part of it. So I wholeheartedly welcome all of you. More than that, those who have boarded online in Zoom platform, dear Reverend Fathers, directors, deans, HODs, faculty members, a warm welcome to all of you to this Kalotsava 2020 inauguration program. Above all, I am very specially welcoming our dear students of St. Aloysius College. A very good number of students must have come inside in the virtual platform. So you will have a very wonderful time here, initially for half an hour, the formal program, followed by the cultural event for half an hour to go ahead. So all of you need to enjoy. It is your own program. So a warm welcome to all of you, dear students. So with these words of welcome, I'm very happy to participate in this Kalotsava 2020. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for extending the warm greetings and highlighting the importance of the event Kalotsava. We have amongst us today an eminent personality as our chief guest, Sri Guru Kanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar Police Station. We feel overwhelmed by your presence and appreciate for humbly accepting our invite for making this day possible. May I now request Ms. Binny Chan, the Faculty of Department of Business Administration, to introduce our esteemed chief guest.
Good afternoon, all. Today, we have with us Mr. Guru Kanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar Station. He hails from Jamkhandi, Uttar Karnataka. He served in Ullal Station for 3 years. He got his posting in different stations of Karnataka. He is one of the most dynamic personality and is so dedicated to his work. He has undertaken solicited issues and resolved them on the fast-track basis. We appreciate your presence for making the occasion memorable, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Binny, for introducing our eminent resource person for the day. We are honored to welcome you, sir, and we are eager to listen to your words of wisdom. Over to our eminent resource chief guest for this program, Sri Guru Kanti.
ಈ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಶುಭ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಅನ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಸ್ತರಾಗಿರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸ್ತಾ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗದ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ವಿಧಾನ, ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಚಕ್ರನೇ ಬದಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗಗಳನ್ನು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಒಂದು ರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಹಳವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವಿತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಕುಂಠಿತವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಜೂನ್ ಜುಲೈ ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೊರತೆ ಕುಂದುಂಟಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ACP ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಕಲೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಇಂಥ ಪಂಡೆಮಿಕ್, ಈ ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನು ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ 1.5 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಓದುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ತಲೆಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ತಲೆಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೀ ಪಾಠಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಅದು ಸಂಗೀತ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಕವನ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಈ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಹಿಡನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಆ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ, ಸೊ ಇವರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಹಳ ನೀವು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಈ ಕಲೋತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಏನಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಂಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಏನು ಸೂಚನೆಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ SOP ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸೇರುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇದರಿಂದ ವಂಚಿತ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವುದು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರು ವಂಚಿತ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಏನು ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗದ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಕುಂಠಿತತೆ ಅವರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತಟ್ಟಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಇದು ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಉಳ್ಳಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನೊಂದು ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹಾಯ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಈ ಏನು ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಠ್ಯ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಗದವರ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವವನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ನಗರದ, ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಏನು ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಏನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದೆರಡು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಫಾದರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ನವರಿಗೂ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, sir. Your words of encouragement will boost our efforts to uplift the activities of our institution. The times are changing, and so are the practices. The COVID-19 pandemic has introduced us to an era of the new normal. It is rightly quoted by Henry Ford, "If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself." Let us join our hands together with Mr. Gavin Ebnor Pinto, the President Student Council, for the oath-taking ceremony. Over to you.
Kindly rise and stretch your right hand forward. Kindly repeat. We swear that we will hereby adhere to the guidelines issued by all legislative bodies in maintaining safety of ourselves and of others in the wake of this pandemic. We shall norms of social distancing and upkeep of personal hygiene and avoid mass gatherings. We shall wear masks and use sanitizers regularly and help the district administration in all its efforts to reduce the spread of COVID-19. We shall make this pledge and hereby adopt the same, not just as Aloysians, but by being responsible citizens of this great country.
Thank you, Mr. Gavin Ebner Pinto, the President of Student Council, for initiating this awareness program. Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, our beloved principal, has always inspired us with moving ahead and overcoming the challenges. He believes in conceptualizing the motto of making men and women for and with others. Father, we look forward towards your presidential remarks.
Respected Sri Guru Kanti, the Sub-Inspector of Bandar Station and the Chief Guest of today's Kalotsava, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, Dean, Student Welfare, Ms. Arati Shanbag, the Convener of Kalotsava, Mr. Gavin Abner Pinto, the Student Council President, Ms. Paloma Rodriguez, the Student Council Cultural Secretary, my dear members of the faculty, and my dear students. It's a great honor to be here this afternoon for the inauguration of Kalotsava 2020. I just understand your feelings at this moment. My dear students, you would have been so happy to be here with us at this moment to celebrate this Kalotsava. You have so many hidden talents within you. St. Aloysius College is known for its campus culture and campus life. We would have had huge number of students today gathered around to celebrate this Kalotsava. As you all know, the very meaning of Kalotsava, the festival of arts, the festival of culture, festival of coming together. As Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, the Dean of Student Welfare, beautifully said that there are so many platforms for our students to perform, to exhibit their talents. And our students have been our true ambassadors. Manglo is also the cradle of various culture and various activities. And our students coming from different backgrounds, not only from Manglo, but other parts of our country, are truly doing their best here other than the academics. We are not only concentrating on our students at academics, but also their overall growth. And we continue to do that at St. Aloysius College. Though this year we struggled due to pandemic, but we continue to give you this platform, if not offline at this moment, definitely through online. And you definitely will enjoy these moments here with us, exhibiting your talents. I truly liked the way our chief guest, Sri Guru Kanti, expressed his feelings. Their support is always with us. We are grateful to Sri Guru Kanti for giving this wonderful message to all of us. Beautiful message in a short way that he got it here at St. Aloysius College. We are truly impressed, sir, by your message and your encouragement to all of us and to our students. Our students truly should take this opportunity on a platform like online and come out with their various initiatives and innovative ideas. Today we are having about half an hour or so the cultural program given by you all. But in the future, we will have the fest like Utsav, a fest, that various fests that we organize at St. Aloysius College, and various competitions that we organize at different platforms, and also sending you all to different institutions to perform. You have done very well last year. All our second years and final year students have given their best. And as the Dr. Ishwarabat said, we won so many prizes and so many awards. Hats off to all our students for their wonderful exhibition of talents. Also, I'd like to thank all our faculty for encouraging them. Our faculty is highly qualified and also highly talented. They've been always with our students to support. And this year we are fortunate to have a very good student council, and the student council office bearers are always preparing so many activities. Our students, you are fortunate to have such a wonderful student council, and the student council, cultural secretary and the president and the other members have been coming to college regularly, preparing for various activities. And it is you that always take interest in such activities. I must always tell you that you should have that desired, passionate engagement. Whatever that you do, you should have a strong desire to do something more. We at St. Aloysius College believe in the growth of our students, and we would like all of you to become men and women for and with others. We are not for ourselves, but through our activities, through our talents, we bring in that new life in the others. We are in a new normal, but how do you bring that new life even in this new normal? You should have that strong desire and a dream and determination to do something more and bring in that new life. All of us are struggling at this moment. How do you make the others smile? Make everyone come together. Even at this time of pandemic, that we say we can truly build a community. And a good family like St. Aloysius always can bring in that kind of a smile in the others with our desire and our dream. Secondly, I would like to say the passion. Our student council leaders have that strong passion, and all of you have that passion. Continue to work during this time of pandemic with that passion. With the passion, you should also have that perseverance. The pandemic has tested all of us to have perseverance, and we do not know how long this pandemic will continue. But we need to have perseverance and hope. We continue to hope that the pandemic will be over and we will all come back to the normal life. And again, our campus will buzz with the lot of activities. And definitely, we will come back and have these activities as soon as possible. And thirdly, the patience to continue to remain together and build this community of family and other members together to take it forward. Finally, the encouragement that I would like to say is the engagement. We need to all engage ourselves in these activities. When we only truly engage, that means it is we are all involvement of one another. Only when we involve, we help the other, and together we can evolve and enlighten one another. These activities and talents will definitely help us to engage ourselves and evolve and enlighten one another. Let these activities of desired, passionate engagement continue at St. Aloysius College. I would like once again to congratulate our Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, for taking a lot of initiative, lot of interest in organizing this Kalotsava and all the other activities. And I also would like to thank our Student Council President and the Cultural Secretary for taking a lot of interest and preparing this Kalotsava today, and our convener, Miss Arati Shanbog. Wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless us.
Thank you, Father, for your insightful message, which promotes the holistic development of our student community. Thank you for your warm and enriching remarks. I request Ms. Paloma Rodriguez, the Cultural Secretary, to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude bestows reverence, changing forever how we experience life and the world. A warm and pleasant evening to everyone gathered here. I, Paloma Rodriguez, would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who have worked tremendously hard to make this Kalotsava inaugural a grand success. On behalf of the college, I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Guru Kanti, Sub-Inspector of Police, Bandar Police Station, for taking time apart from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SG, Principal of our esteemed institution, for providing us with his constant support and guidance. Behind the success of an event of this measure lies the relentless efforts of many minds that come together. On that note, I would like to thank Dr. Ishwara Bhatt S., Dean of Student Welfare, and his proactive team of Student Activity Cell staff members for their insight and guidance on making this first ever online Kalotsava inaugural program truly one to remember. I would like to extend my wholehearted gratitude to Mrs. Aarti Shanbhag, the convener, for organizing and gracefully moderating today's event, and Ms. Binny Chan for introducing our chief guest for the day. I would like to take the time to thank Father Marcel Rodriguez SJ for his directions and help in arranging for the Kalotsava program to be held in this beautiful studio hall, along with Mr. Royal D'Souza, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, Dr. Senek D'Souza, Mr. Patson Pereira, Mr. Santosh, and student Mr. Samuel Corda for working their technical magic behind the scenes and making it possible for us all to come together this evening. I would also like to express my thanks to the maintenance officer, Mr. Godwin Coelho, and his team for their help in arranging this program and the media person present for the publicity of this event. A special mention to all the student participants for all their efforts in bringing vibrancy to this one-of-a-kind online Kalotsava inaugural through their performances. What is a successful event without an ever-enthusiastic audience? Finally, I would like to thank all the student council members, faculty, non-teaching staff, and all our viewers for joining us in today's celebration. Let us thus pave way for new avenues of uniqueness and talent and fill the corridors of St. Aloysius with color, excitement, and flamboyance now and forever. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Paloma. I profusely thank you all for your participation for this formal program. We look forward to your collaboration and making the achievements more blissful. Now, we present to you the cultural segment of the program.
Celebrate talent and celebrate those who have the courage to follow it. We at Aloysius believe that talent and skill are the building blocks of our life.
Hi everyone, this is Gavin Abno Pinto.
And this is Neha D'Souza, and we will be your hosts for today.
This year, despite being a pandemic, we have planned an exciting Kalotsava program for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa are the basic notations that every classical singer has to learn. We Indians have enjoyed classical music for ages. dream, love, and live life is something that we all want to do, because there's a saying, you only live once. To take us on this wonderful rendition, we now have Miss Vandana and team. Sit back and enjoy.
एक दिन मोहब्बत ओढ़ कर एक दिन गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर, फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका करके नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर। जिंदगी कुछ तो बता, जिंदगी अपना पता, जिंदगी कुछ तो बता, जिंदगी अपना पता, जिंदगी। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अदमा हो जो क्लास क्लास, हर कोशिश में हो वार वार कर दरियाओं को पार पार, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Dance is like poetry, and each movement is a word. Each step has the capacity to get in touch with the viewer's emotions. One thing dance never fails to do is entertain. And to do just that, we have with us Pratik and team. So hold on to your seats and get ready.
Pasa la juca si no le voy a dar con esa. y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo pa pa, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo pa pa, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum, y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo pa pa, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum, y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo pa pa.
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
मैंने तेरे लिए छोड़ा है ज़माना जरा तेरा इरादा तो बता ऐसे नजर तुम मुझसे चुराना जरा तेरा इरादा तो बता छाया है मुझ पे तेरा ही नशा कम वक्त दिल ये कहाँ जा फंसा मैं तेरी दीवानी तू मेरा दीवाना समझ ले नजर का इशारा गली गली में फिरता है तू क्यों बन के बंजारा आ मेरे दिल में बस जा मेरे आशिक आवारा
मच्छी ओपन द बॉटल
இது அம்பானி பரம்பரை அஞ்சாறு தலைமுறை ஆனந்தம் வளர்ப்பிறதா நாம கொண்டு ஒரு முறை சொன்னாங்க பல முறை கொண்டாத பணமழதா நாம முன்னேறும் பணி கேட்டு என்றாச்சு நம்மாடல் விழி கேட்டு இப்போ 9 கிரகமும் ஒன்னாக இருக்கு ஓஹோடு நம் சாதகா ஆடாம ஜெயிச்சோமடா நம்மே நீ பாடாம ஜெயிச்சோமடா ஓடாம ரன் எடுத்தோம் சும்மாவே உட்காந்து விண்ணெடுத்தோம்
ऊंची ऊंची डोरियों पे बांधो रे गागर पर ना माने ना कान्हा माने ना जग जो बिछाए हर जाल काट ले मक्खन चुराए हर माल छाट ले मुरली से करे ऐसी टिक 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 पन घट की है बड़ी पन घट की है बड़ी कठिन डगर पर ना माने ना गाना माने ना से करे ऐसी टिक 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 पन घट की है बड़ी पन घट की है बड़ी कठिन डगर पर ना माने ना गाना माने ना
healing. When we are sad, when we are happy, when we need hope, we love to sing. Despite having a lot of great classical singers, our college also has a great team of Western singers. So over to Rupert D'Souza and team. Stay and enjoy.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make it a better place for you and for me.
If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear of dread, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a little space, make a better place.
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Make a better place for you and for me. Make a better place for you and for me.
As all of us are caught up in quarantine, traveling has become a big no-no, and some of us are seriously missing out. Be it shopping at the Lulu Mall or a ride through the Mannar Hills. But let's not get too sad about it, because we have Shweta to bring in the vibes from God's own country into our own Aloysius.
കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ
പൂരം കാണാൻ. ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ. ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ.
പൂരമെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
പൂരമെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
പൂരമെനിക്കൊന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത,
പൂരമെനിക്കൊന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത,
വിമിലയെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
വിമിലയെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
വിമിലയെനിക്കൊന്നു കൊട്ടണം കാന്ത,
വിമിലയെനിക്കൊന്നു കൊട്ടണം കാന്ത. കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ.
മദ്ദളമെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
മദ്ദളമെനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
മദ്ദളമെനിക്കൊന്നു കൊട്ടണം കാന്ത,
മദ്ദളമെനിക്കൊന്നു കൊട്ടണം കാന്ത,
വെടിക്കെട്ടി എനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
വെടിക്കെട്ട് എനിക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത,
വെടിക്കുട്ടി അതിലൊന്നു കൊളുത്തണം കാന്ത,
വെടിക്കുട്ടി അതിലൊന്നു കൊളുത്തണം കാന്ത. കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ. കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ.
We all love a great skit. Drama is a very interesting form of communication which works very effectively. During this pandemic, a lot of our students have faced various mental issues. To portray those, we have Mohit, Kamath and team. So all of you sit back, watch and enjoy.
Oh no! I had to attend a conference call. Shah. Hi guys, how are you all? Hi!
Hi.
After a long time we are meeting. How's the lockdown going on?
Yeah, lockdown was so boring and I missed you so much.
Even I missed you all so much. By the way, where are these three idiots?
You know, right? They are such a lazy bugs. Always late.
Wait, let's call them. ಹೇ ರೋಹನ್, ಇನ್ನೆಂಕಲ ಮಾತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತನದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಪ ಅಂದು ಓಲರ್ ಮಾತ.
ಹಾಂ ಅವು ಬರ್ಪೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹಾಂ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್.
Hey Rohan, where were you, dude? Why you joined late?
Sorry. I totally forgot that we had a video call today. Actually, no, I did not sleep yesterday night because there was a COVID patient in my locality and the ambulances kept on moving here and there. Due to that sound, no, I did not get sleep, and with no other options, I had to sleep today morning.
ಹೌದು ಮಗ, ಈ ಹಾಳಾದ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದಾಗಿನಿಂದ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಡೋದೇ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅಂತೂ ಹೇಗೋ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಕೋ, ಪೊಲೀಸರು ದೊಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗೇನೋ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾರೋ ನನಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಅದೇನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಲಪ್ಪ ಅವರು.
You know what? My mom is so irritating. She wants me to help her out in everything. Cooking, cleaning and what not. Oh God, she comes up to me with one or the other problem. I'm so fed up with her. Whatever. I'm not bothered about whatever she says.
ನೀ ಕಾತೇತ ಮಾರೈತಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಪ ಕೇನೊಡ್ಚಿ ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ. ಪೊಪ್ಪಗೆ ಬೇಲೆಜ್ಜಂದೆ 2-3 ತಿಂಗೊಲಾಂಡು ಅವಸ್ಥೆನೆ ನಮ್ಮನ. ಅಮ್ಮನ ಒಂಜಿಲ್ಲಡ ಯಾವೊಂದಿಪ್ಪುಂಡು ದೇವರೇ, ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಪಲ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ.
ಏನೋ ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ಆವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತಿರೋ ಹಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಕೇಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಏ ರಾಘವ್, ಮುಚ್ಚೋ ಬಾಯಿ. ಮನೇಲಿದ್ಯಾ ತಾನೇ ನೀನು? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮನೇಲಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಂಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ತಾನೇ? ಆದ್ರೂ ನಿನ್ ಬೋರ್ ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಣೋ, ಒಬ್ನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ಗೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತು ಒಬ್ನೇ ಇರೋ ಕಷ್ಟ? ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿನ್ಗೆ? ನಿಂದೇನೋ ರೋಹನ್, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇಡೀ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ? ಅವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ರಿಯಾ, ಯೋರ್ ಮಾಮ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ you to help her, right, in the household works? Other than sleeping and eating, have you done any other work? Just tell me. Work, it seems. ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಿನ್ನದಾದ ಇಲ್ಲಡು ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪನ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿಯ ಈತ್ನೆಟ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪಡ ಮಣಿಪಂದ ಎಡ್ಡೆಡು ಕುಲ್ದು ಪಾತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಕಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಕೇಂದನೆ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿಗೆ ಅಕುಲೇತ ಬಂಗಡ ನಿಗ್ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಕ್ಕು. ಎಲ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಒಂದ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ನೀವು? ಅವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆ ದಿನ ನಾನ್ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ ಸಾಯ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. Sometimes people don't need your sympathy or anything or advice. They just need someone who can listen. They just want someone to listen to them, to listen to their problems. That's all.
Talk, reach out, explain, listen more often. Open your ears and listen. Listen to your friends who speak the least. Listen to your parents who speak the most. Listen to that long-last acquaintance when he or she has something to say. Let's not give in to the stigma of mental health. Let's not tell people everything will be fine. Let's not tell them going out and meeting people will make it all right. Or let's not tell them to distract themselves to make things fine. Instead, let's start saying it's okay. It's okay to feel bad. It's okay to feel low. It's okay to feel lost. And it's okay to be whoever you are. As physical illness, deterioration of mental health is an illness too. It's not the state that people assume it to be, but it is a serious problem that needs utmost care and importance. So, Let's make people aware of this fact and stop all the name calling and all the assumptions.
So this is the end of the exciting Kalotsav program.
But this is in fact not the end, but the beginning. The beginning of a journey filled with color, light, talent, and extravagance.
Everyone, this is Gavin Abner Pinto.
And this is Neha D'Souza
Signing off.
Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Mesmerizing performances, melodious voices, all created vibes to the tune of music and entertainment, thereby harnessing the talents of the students on this virtual platform. Special mention to the virtual presentation on mental illness. Hope you all enjoyed the performances. This is Mrs. Aarti Shanbhag signing off for the day. Have a great day.